Hello everyone, welcome back to Senegalese Twisted. So it has been a long time since I took a video, but today is the second day of our retreat here in Senegal, and I just want to show you our apartment a little bit because we are now in Dakar and today we are planning on going to Gorée Island. So I want to take you with me and stay tuned. So this is the entrance. This is our amazing view. We are at Ngor, which means that is Gorée Island, and the beach is on this side. And you can recognize Ngor by this hotel. And I think the hotel is also called Ngor. And yeah, this is a really cool neighborhood to be in because it's pretty central and there's so much that is happening here. And this is our apartment. This is Cynthia.
The camera? Didn't know.
You should have said, is this camera on me?
Is this camera on me?
Yes, it is. And Cynthia is the amazing brains and beauty behind House of Notoire, and she has been organizing retreats since what year?
Since 2017. Yeah.
Since 2017. And what what destinations have you done?
The very first House of Notoire retreat was in Marrakesh, Morocco in 2017, but we've been hosting international events since 2010 when we founded House of Notoire, and our first international event was in Indonesia.
Ooh, yeah. Indonesia. Everybody wants to go to Indonesia.
A lot of people do. Bali for sure.
For
super
sure.
popular.
Yeah. Oh, so this is our penthouse apartment here in Gorée. I will show you a little bit of the bedrooms and everything. So this is our bedroom. I'm sharing it with Cynthia, and our bedroom has a bathroom, of course. Yeah, so there are actually how many rooms? There's also one room that is for children, they said, because it doesn't have a bedroom. It doesn't have a bathroom, but it has like two single beds. Well, one single bed and one double bed, but the double bed is not that big. They call this the children's room. And there is another one at the end. Which is basically the same as the room Cynthia and I are sharing. It also has a bathroom, and I have a new bucket hat, of course. And the view from here is also amazing. And the people beneath us actually have like a little garden balcony thingy going on. And there's another room in which our guest Shella is staying. And this is the living room. The living room. And the kitchen. And here you can actually see our small balcony thingy that we got going on. But this door is a bit hard to open. But yeah, they're building in this building. They're just building it. They're working on it. And you can actually see them working. And you can see the monument from here. It's there. And this is Phare the Mamelle. And yeah, we actually have a great view from all over the windows, but the traffic is just too much. So we went to the Museum of Black Civilizations just now because we missed the boat to go to Gorée, but we are here. We are back at what? Gorée Island. Salam alaikum. So we are back in Gorée and it's beautiful as ever.
En inspirerende plek te hebben. Same. Ook die ene die we net zagen.
Ja.
Die, dit vind ik echt het meest mooie.
Ja.
She's so happy.
Ok.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup. À tout à l'heure.
Merci à vous. À tout à l'heure.
On va passer pour
Our food is here. Hello everyone, so this video is dedicated to the Senegal retreat that I co-hosted in November with Cynthia of House of Notoire. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen all the content already. For the retreat, Cynthia and I organized lots of different activities for a week in Senegal. Yes, besides activities in Dakar, we also went to Saint Louis and Saly, a beach town right outside of Dakar. We ended the retreat by watching Black Panther at Pathé. If you or anyone you know is going to visit Senegal, but you don't have any idea of what you want to do, or you want an actual travel guide during your trip to Senegal, definitely hit me up. Other than that, you can always reach out for any questions regarding Senegal. If you don't want to miss out on what I'm doing, definitely follow me on Instagram at Senegalese Twisted. If you have missed my Senegal content of the last 6 months, don't worry. I just created a TikTok account at Senegalese Twisted where I'll be sharing everything you need to know about all the things I have done in Senegal these past 6 months. Either way, definitely enjoy the rest of the retreat and the upcoming videos. Hello everyone, welcome back. So we have actually traveled all the way from Dakar to Saint Louis, and I'm currently in the photography museum of Saint Louis. So I will show you a little bit because I want you to actually come here and see it for yourself. And that's on period.
Er is dus één vrouw in Marrakesh en zij is de eerste zwarte vrouw die haar eigen hotel.
So many books. It looks just so beautiful here. So much art. It's so beautiful. So the rooms also have like Senegalese art and clothing, African press art, and there's even like more art instead of importing those. And this is Bazin. So this is the bathroom, and she told us that she tries to include African elements because this is what women use here and men to clean their teeth. And she put shea butter in here.
That's why people wear it's a crocodile.
Look at the peacocks in the tree, y'all. So the sun is setting. The birds are flying.
In deze setting is het mooiste.
The ladies.